Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZYHKON Sleep Earbuds, Bluetooth 5.4 in-ear touchscreen sleep headphones. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Sleep mode and ergonomic design for all-night comfort. The ultralight sleep wireless earbuds features a polished, ear-fitting shape, weighing only 3.0 grams per ear, which fits your ear comfortably, allowing you to enjoy a pressure-free all-night comfort even when you sleep on your side. The small and stylish charging box can be easily put into your pocket. The sleeping earbuds have a sleep mode that turns off the low battery and shut down alarms, allowing you to enjoy a good night's sleep. Smart touchscreen control, fully customizable. Sleep earbuds are equipped with a smart full-color LED touchscreen charging box, which is within reach and intuitive. You can easily play or pause music, adjust the volume, switch tracks, answer calls and more by touching the screen or the sleep earphones. The touchscreen also provides rich functions, including sleep mode activation, 7 language options, wallpaper and brightness adjustment and more, designed to enhance your sleep and audio experience. Immersive stereo sound and clear calls, engineered with powerful 13mm dynamic drivers and a finely tuned in-ear acoustic structure, these sleep earbuds deliver rich, resonant bass, crisp mids, and shimmering highs. The sleep earbuds for side sleepers use advanced chamber design balances internal and external air pressure, reducing sound leakage and enhancing overall clarity even in noisy environments. Whether you're winding down at home or staying active on the go, you'll enjoy everything. 48 hours playing time, sleep all night, power all day, drift into deep sleep with sleep earbuds side designed to last. Enjoy up to 48 hours of total playtime, enough for restful nights and more. With USB-C fast charging, a full charge takes just 1.5 hours, so you're always ready for bedtime. The moment you open the case, they connect instantly, no setup, no delay. Whether you're at home or traveling, these headphones for sleeping deliver soothing sound and all-night comfort without interruption. Latest Bluetooth 5.4 and 5 custom EQ modes. Powered by cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4, the SU9 Bluetooth earbuds for sleeping ensure faster pairing, ultra-stable connections, and high-fidelity, lossless sound for a smooth and immersive listening experience. Effortlessly tailor your sound to suit any moment with 5 expertly tuned EQ modes: standard, classic, jazz, rock, and pop, designed to bring out the best in every genre and match your every mood. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.